Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I have a collective haul of affordable makeup. I've put them all in this take a lot box, never mind the upside down box. I always open my box on the bottom side so I can keep the shipping information at the top intact in case I need to return something. But anyway, that's beside the point. So let's get into it. Okay, so at the top I have this Sheglam Lock Go Lasting Cushion Foundation. That's what it looks like. It is a whole lot bigger than I expected it to be. That's what it looks like. Comes with a little puff to apply, and then the foundation is in here. I have the shade Earth, and the shelf life of this is 6 months, which is very short for a foundation. But anyway, also from Sheglam I got a repurchase of my favorite setting powder. This is the Sheglam Big Glow setting powder. They released 2 new shades of the powder. They released a banana shade and a pink shade. I got the banana shade. I usually get the shade Cappuccino, which is like a very light pink shade, almost peachy. So this is what banana looks like. It has a little bit of a yellow tint to it, so that's nice. So I will be trying that out. That's all from Sheglam. And then I have this Yardley Hydra Tint Lightwear Foundation with hyaluronic acid, niacinamide and vitamin C, and it has SPF 25. So I saw this went viral like a few months ago, but I never had interest in it until I saw it on sale. So yeah, I got the shade Caramel. I've worn this one time and the shade matches pretty good. When it came and I saw the shade match, I was like, looks a little light, but I put it on, it matches perfectly. So I'm happy with that. I also got this L'Oreal Skin Ink 2-in-1 concealer and foundation. I got the shade 325 Warm. So I got this because it was on sale, and also because I saw someone did a wear test on it and they were sweating and this thing did not move. Okay, so I said yes immediately because we're going into summer right now and I need something that's gonna not move when I'm sweating, especially around my nose, because I sweat a lot, well, mostly around my nose. So I need something that's gonna sit there and not move while I'm sweating. So happy to have this and try this out. Okay, another foundation. I got this Revolution Conceal and Define foundation. These are the in-between shades. I got the shade F13.5. For the longest time we only had the F like 13, 14, 15, 16, 12, 11, and never the in-between shades. So they finally stocked them in South Africa, and I got this. This is described as medium deep with neutral undertones, which is exactly what I am. So I'm gonna finally get a chance to try out this foundation. So yeah, F13.5. And then this little blush, this is the Zaron Cheeky Liquid Blush. I got in the shade, the red shade. It's old fashioned. I got this on clearance at Clicks. I believe this is a Nigerian makeup brand. I believe so. Also from Revolution, we recently got these in South Africa. Finally, these Patrick Tar dupe eyeshadow palettes, and this is the Revolution Beauty The Eternal Icon eyeshadow palette. Yeah, this is a color story that I do not have in my collection. I did check to make sure. This is like burgundies and greens, really nice. Naturally I wanted to get like the warm nude palette, but I have that at least 5 times over. So I was like, okay, you know what, let me get something I don't have. And this is definitely something I do not have. I don't have these shades of green. I did check before I bought it, so we're safe. Also new releases here in South Africa, these Maybelline Lifted Glaze Lip Oil Balms. I got 3 shades. Yeah, let me put them the right way around. I got these 3 shades. Already tried on Caramel Glow just so I can see how it weighs and how it feels and stuff, but these other 2 I haven't touched them yet. Then I got these 4 lip glosses essence. This is Biscuit Bliss, nice brown shade, looks neutral. Yeah. And then this is Candy Shop. Candy Shop is only available on Amazon. I've already worn this before. This is so pretty. It has like pink and purple and gold glitter in it. It's absolutely gorgeous. I think I'm gonna buy another one just in case I can't find it anywhere else. And I have Glazed Berry, and this is really nice, both sparkling purple. These are not, yeah, these are not the plumping versions. These are just the regular ones. And then I got this Essence eyeliner. This is a quick wing stamp eyeliner. Now the reason why I bought this is because I've always wanted to do a wing eyeliner and I cannot do it. So this one is like a 2-in-1. So on one side it has a regular like liner rather, and then on the other side it has a stamp see, of a wing. So you just stamp it on there. So for someone who doesn't know how to do a wing eyeliner, definitely excited to try this. And hopefully it works out for me, because like I said, I don't know how to do a wing eyeliner and it always looks good on the girl, so hoping that it works. Okay, so we have reached the end of today's video. Thank you so much for joining me in this haul, and I will see you all in the next video. Take care. Bye.